Hi guys, this is an Iseo 40mm padlock, 5 pins. Works nicely. That's the bitting. Quite good. Get it in the vise. Okay, so we use pin side tension. It's quite a tenuous fit. You can probably see the gap here. The wrench doesn't go in very far. I'm going to pick using this standard hook. Start at the back. So hold on to the tension, as let's say spring-loaded core. Pin 2, I think. Pin 4. Three and 2. This is an Iseo lock, so I would expect there to be some spools in here. Yes, indeed, there's a full set that confirms that. It seems to be in 4 maybe. Quite get on him. Seems to be maybe near the front. It must be 4. Tight with this particular pick. Just don't want to set. Go. Hung on to the full set. To pin 3 now. And it's picked open. Yeah, good little pick that. Probably 2 or 3 spools in there. Thanks for watching, guys.